Welcome back. Today's tutorial is this Cowboy Snowman. So first things that you'll need is this mold from Natollie Creations. It is the Snowman Cowboy, and then you'll also want this SVG, and this is the same SVG that's used on quite a few Natollie molds, so you may already have it. So we're gonna head over to Cricut Design Space. If you're already comfortable with it, here's the information you need, and then I'm also gonna show you a tutorial if you want it. So you're gonna go to Upload, you're gonna find the cowboy hat and go to Upload. You can rename it whatever you would like, and then again you're gonna click Upload, and then you're gonna wanna click it and click Add to Canvas. So then once it's on your canvas, you can go ahead and you can resize it so that it matches the sizes that I've written. So your width is going to be, sorry I covered it up. Your width is going to be 4.137 and your height is 2.109. On this, when changing the height, you do have to click that little unlock button, and that's going to let you change the aspect ratio so that you can change the height without messing up the width. So then once you've done that, there's a few things I do to adjust this to make it easy to work with. The first is to connect these two hat pieces using weld. That means that you can change the color at the same time. And then you're also going to want to just attach that back with the image. And then you're going to want to make sure that these are all changed to print then cut. So you can do that one by one, or you can go up and click where it says Natollie Cowboy Hat or whatever you named it, and then change it all in one go to print then cut. So once you've done that, then you're ready to go in and play with the patterns. So the Cricut already has some patterns preloaded, and then it's also going to show any patterns that you have uploaded. So you can just scroll through, find one that you like, and then you can always use that edit pattern to adjust the sizing so that it's bigger or smaller to fit whatever look that you're going for. So once you find your pattern, then you can change your hat brim to be a coordinating color. And then once you have found a design that you like, you're just going to want to make sure all the pieces are selected. You're going to go to flatten, and then it's all ready for you to cut out. So then once you've cut it out on your Cricut, you can put it face down in your mold, put your beads on top and bake. And then I use Sharpie paint pens to go over the details to add those in. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked my content, please subscribe, leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys.